Hello there. My name is Asif Ravi, as you might already know or might not. And this is my completely brand new podcast where I will be talking about your life issues regarding problems of your life with solutions of actionable steps. In these videos series, I aim to provide you personality upliftment, high self-belief and high self-worth, which will enable your inner confidence, which will empower you to put your thoughts into actions without any self-doubt or self-restrictions. I'll bring to you case studies and personal experiences which can be used as a tool to self-reflect in your life and bring significant change in your life. Whatever be the problem, either it be dating issues, life issues, job issues, I will give you physical steps which you will have to take over a course of time to enable your best self in life. बॉडी कैसे बनती है ना भाई, तुम जिम जाते हो एंड डेली एक्सरसाइज करते हो कंसिस्टेंटली, वैसे ही सेम इन सारे इश्यूज का भी है. यू हैव टू फेस द सोर्स ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, बी कंसिस्टेंट विद द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सोल्यूशन टू द प्रॉब्लम. ओवर टाइम जो इशू है ना वो अपने आप खत्म हो जाएगा. But the effort of the application of knowledge has to be consistent. It is exactly like the gym we do for the physical body. वैसे ही सारे issues के लिए ये solutions हमारी gym है. Also, I'd like to point out that there is a plethora of knowledge out there, and there are thousands and thousands of books out there. But the problem with our human brains is that we absorb very little information. That is, our active mind only has a memory of 6 to 7 seconds, after which it is all forgotten if not transferred to the storage of our brain. Our subconscious mind might remember things and can process over it and make it our permanent memories, but for that to happen, that information has to be put in again and again and again and again. And this exactly is the problem with all the millions of books out there. Because if we try to consume knowledge and don't take any action, then all that knowledge is completely crap and worthless. In fact, Malcolm Gladwell, in his book The Tipping Point, has stated the principle of the 80-20. इसमें क्या है ना कि जैसे in society 20% of criminals commit 80% of crimes, 20% motorists cause 80% of all accidents, 20% beer drinkers drink 80% of all beer. वैसे ही सेम है 20% information, वो भी actionable information के बाद 80% action has to be there. 80% of time you have to put into applying that 20% of knowledge. Any more knowledge than that is a waste of your brain space and time. So folks, here I am to give you applicable knowledge, but rest 80% of the work you have to do in the field. So guys, my name is Asif Ravi. I hope you guys got something from the video. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You spank it, smash it, you demolish it. Okay? Bye. Peace out.